So I would tell what happens in person. So once you select your slot, they send you a email authorization and a link to which has got some 16-digit number and a link to Prometric, who performs the exam on behalf of API. So you click on the link, select your slot, and you're good to go. So on the exam day, if you're in person, you go there. They'll ask you some security question, your date of birth, your email address. You should have a government issued photo ID, and it should be valid. Be careful. It should be a driving license, a passport, or anything with issued by the government, and it should be valid. If it's not valid, they will refuse you entry. Then they will ask you to lift your sleeve, check your glasses. If you're wearing one, you are not allowed to take anything with you except a bottle of water. The minute you go through the tutorial, and I would strongly advise you to read this because this is going to be a 10 minutes tops during the exam. And so it's better to be familiarize yourself with how the buttons work and etc. So either you finish it earlier or you end it and then your exam starts and you will see the clocks start ticking. So the minute it start ticking, use your time wisely and try to your progress to be commensurate with the time. So for example, if you're halfway through, you have answered 40 questions. Normally you should do this when you are, by the time half of the time has been spent, like say 100 minutes out of a total of 195 minutes. If there are some questions that are lengthy and you're stuck there on any question, just write your best possible answer and tick it and then flag it off and then see all the flagged off questions that you're in doubt. So jump into the next question. Some of the questions are very short. They take just seconds to answer, okay? So the API says that RPD 577 is the reference material, but I would suggest that you also study the relevant parts in ASME section 5, NDT code, and ASME section 9, Welding code. Okay.